Although car thieves are generally opportunists at heart, their methods have become increasingly sophisticated. Today, theft of cars is likely to be planned, so never underestimate how sneaky thieves can be. Despite thieves being more organised nowadays, they will still try their luck if given the chance. Badly lit underground car parks without CCTV are irresistible to thieves. They can shop for the car they want. Try to park in car parks showing the park mark sign. Treat your car keys like cash. Always pop them in your bag or in a zipped pocket. Don't make it easy for thieves to take them. Despite the risk of car theft, is it one of our main worries? We polled our members and found that 1 in 4 people don't think about car crime, 1 in 10 think modern cars are theft-proof, and 4% don't bother to lock their cars. There's no need to panic about car security, but thieves are always on the lookout for an easy win. So how can you help to keep your car safe? Keeping your key in a metal-shielded blocking pouch will stop thieves mimicking your key's signal and tricking your car into unlocking, even when you're not nearby. If your car has a keyless system, keep the keys as far away as you can from the car when you're at home. Hide them and protect them with a signal blocking pouch. Never ever leave your car unattended with the engine running to defrost it. Thieves only need a second to hop in and drive away. Get an additional Thatcham approved immobiliser fitted. This should be less vulnerable than your car's standard security system. With just a little bit of care, you can make life so much easier for yourself and much harder for the thieves out there.